January. Employers aren't going to start preparing tax documents, or they're going to rather start sending out those tax documents very soon. But with people picking up side hustles to keep up with inflation this past year, your taxes might look a little bit different, especially if you were your very own boss.
Yeah, Eva Anderson shares some things that you can start doing now to make sure that filing your taxes in April is a bit easier.
Alan Halasik with Green Room Tax Service prepares taxes for people with a day job and a side hustle. He says when people start a side gig, they need to know.
Understand that you're dealing with three separate types of taxes in Minnesota. You have your federal, you have your state, and you have your self-employment tax. If you're an independent contractor, it's not going to be like a regular day job where your employer is actually withholding your tax from your paycheck. You are responsible for making sure that you are paying that tax and you're paying that on time.
So if you started your hustle in 2022 and want to minimize what you'll owe, gather all the receipts you've saved for your business expenses. If you paid for something business related online, check receipts that came via email, put them all in one place, and record each expense in a spreadsheet. These totals will eventually be entered into a Schedule C form.
Let's say you're an actor and you spend money on a headshot and you have a receipt. You go to your expense sheet, you type in the date, you type in how much you spent for that, and you type in the purpose for that.
Do your research to know what qualifies as a business expense. Things like supplies, advertising, trade publications, mileage, even home office space can be deducted. But no, all deductions aren't created equal. Some things can only be partially deducted. He says when you're self-employed,
when you're dealing with independent contractor and self-employment, the options for deductions and reducing the amount of tax you have to pay, they definitely grow, but the complexities also grow as well.
So if you have questions, it's best to talk to a tax professional or use a preparer when filing your returns. Eva Anderson, KARE 11 News.
And if you plan to start or continue a side hustle in 2023, you can start your record keeping now. Just put all those receipts in an envelope, track your expenses and income, as she mentioned, as Eva mentioned, on an Excel spreadsheet.
Big envelope, 2022 taxes or 2023 taxes. Lastly, keep money aside throughout the year that you earn to devote to taxes so you're not stuck with a really big bill come the end of the year with no ways to pay it.
That would be me.
Really? You're like, darn.
I probably should have saved some of that.
All right, 6:40.